To create your own customized catalog with Modular Datasheet in eptool, you should go to the Datasheet area. Use the filtering options to the right. Example, you know the product group and pitch, and then search. Add the wanted datasheet to the collector. Remember to clear filters between more searches. You can always go to the collector and see your added content. You have another opportunity to find your needed datasheet. Use the search function and type in the name of the product. To create a catalog, you have to be logged in. If you regret some of the added content, you can delete it here. Create catalog when ready. Again, you can delete content if you want to. Type in the wanted title of the catalog and your catalog is being built. Download the PDF and here it is, with a front page and a content page and bookmarks to the left, so you easily can go to the wanted page. That's it.